With our hygiene function, the pre- and final sterilisation of jam and other preserving jars is easy. Even items such as baby bottles and dummies can be quickly and thoroughly sterilised. Thorough sterilisation is the most important factor for the shelf life of jams and preserves. Just place the clean preserving jars upside down on a perforated cooking tray, slide it into the cooking space, and select the hygiene function. You can safely and efficiently clean several jars at once when compared with sterilising items in boiling water. And now the jars are ready to be filled. Afterwards, close them tightly, place them in the cooking space again, and select Final Sterilisation. This gives jams and preserves an even longer shelf life. Even baby bottles and dummies can be thoroughly and easily sterilised. Just select the Sterilise Baby Bottles function. Sterilising items in the steamer turns the tiresome part of making jams and preserves into child's play.